Hi, I'm Ben. Welcome to my channel. So I thought today would be a good day to work on this. It's it might be an awl or it might be an ice pick. I'm going to say it's an ice pick because it's got a rather long shank or shaft, and the handle is, I don't know, the handle's more like an awl, but it doesn't have a striking plate or anything like that. So in any case, it's kind of a mess. And I think I'd like to fix it up. So let's get started. Well, that's it. I think it turned out okay. I could have spent more time on it, but I was getting impatient. I wanted to get to the editing part of the video. That's my favorite part of doing this stuff. I wanted to thank 357 Magdad. He's the one that always uses the Bombay mahogany, and I absolutely love this color. It is my new favorite stain. And also, I want to thank him for giving me this. He's the one who gave me this ice pick in the first place. So, thanks twice. Hey, listen, that's it. I appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.